Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Data Science with our Programming. Lecture 10, Association. In the context of data science with our programming, association refers to the relationship between variables in a dataset. This relationship is often explored through techniques such as correlation analysis or association rule mining. 1. Correlation analysis. Correlation analysis measures the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two continuous variables. In R, you can use functions like COR to calculate correlation coefficients such as Pearson's correlation coefficient, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, or Kendall's tau. 2. Association rule mining. Association rule mining is a technique used to discover interesting relationships or associations between variables in large datasets. It is often applied in market basket analysis or recommendation systems. In R, you can use packages like RRules to perform association rule mining. 3. Visualizing associations. Visualization techniques such as scatter plots, heat maps, or network diagrams can be used to visually explore associations between variables in a dataset. In R, packages like ggplot2 or networkd3 can be used for visualization. Understanding associations between variables is crucial in data science as it helps in gaining insights into the underlying patterns and relationships within the data, which in turn can inform decision-making processes and guide further analysis and modeling efforts.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.